Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, SQL Server connectivity with Excel VBA is on the way, and we have installed the, the SMS Studio, right? And before that, you could remember that SQL 2022 SQL Server engine was downloaded and it was installed. And you can see on your screen, this was done. And then later on, this was then for SMS Studio. And then there was a reporting service available, which is important, which is mandatory. So we have to install it uh, now. Okay, so we have downloaded it. It took some time, so I did it offline so that I can save your time. Okay, so we can right away start setting up the server reporting service by double clicking it into so the setup is running. Now install reporting services, right? It is welcoming you that what is it all about, information about your installation services. So these are now on the way ready, right? So let's click on this. So it is now requesting you to which edition you want. So we could rely on the free edition. Okay, so let's click next. Okay, here you have to accept it. No way that you don't accept it, right? You have to accept it in order to make use of it. Okay, so click next here. Now, install reporting services only, or you will need to have or install a database engine, which we have already installed. Okay, next. So it is installing on this path. That's fine. We give it uncheck and we say yes. So it will automatically detect the engine and its settings, and it will set up the reporting services so that we can make use of the database server and its reports. So this is almost installed, and this will be, it will take a bit of time, and then it will complete the installation. And then in the meantime, I can show you, we already have this window and this window. This is our management studio where we enrich the setup of computer. Okay. So now configure manually and customize, configure report server. We can do this, yeah. Okay. So let's come configure the report server. Yes. So it is now configuring. So this is our server name. Okay. And this is SSRS. This is reporting service instance, right? This is our host name. That's fine. You can make use it, and let's connect it. So the service has started. The reporting services is started, and now you can utilize it. So you can create the database. So the detail of the service account is this. Here, these all are done here. So you can, the system is offering you some information, very important information here to, see that. I I show you there. Yeah. So these are the result, and he wants you to make a copy of it. It's okay. So we can keep a copy and store it somewhere. Okay. So this is our database. There is the current report server database path, and in this is the information. You can change the database on which you want to report, etc. No need to do anything. Okay, unnecessary. So that's it. So we have installed the reporting services. So we'll come up with the next uh, in which we will interface. We will we will use the VBA to connect to the database engine and uh, create a database and make the tables and put the data in it and develop the stored procedures and utilize the stored procedures.